Good morning, guys. Laura here from Hedgehog's Homestead. Today we're just going to get started on just getting everything done in the morning, taking care of these animals. Martha May, you've been hiding somewhere. So let's get started. So things are starting to die off in the garden this time of year. We do have new fall stuff coming up, but as you can look over here, my pumpkin plant is totally dying off. And the only reason why it's still up there is because of that one little pumpkin on the top there. This cucumber plant is still producing cucumbers, so we're not going to stop on that. Looks like it's... There we go. These volunteer sunflowers are still growing, and the peas in the background. Then we have our tomatoes. I'm going to go ahead and harvest that I'll put it on my windowsill with this part facing out. I get a lot of those. Big that one is, guys. Can you believe it? I don't know if you guys know, but if you put your tomatoes in a box when they're green and close the box up, and last year I just put them in a bag and it even worked. Just stack them on top of each other in a bag or a box, and then keep it in a dark place, and then every once in a while just go look at it, and they will start to ripen up. It will be slow, but they will. Here that I gotta grab. Look. Okay. Looks like I have a lot of cucumbers still coming on here. Lots of cucumbers coming in, not really ripe yet though. Look at those carrots, guys. Don't they look lovely? Okay. Zucchini. I harvested a bunch of potatoes the other day. Let's see over here. Don't tell my husband I do this. No. Turkeys. Now for some green beans. Look at those monsters. I'll put my hand down. Now, that's not a fingerling. Alright, you guys, thank you for stopping by. Just thought I'd show you this. Thought it was funny.